Hello, infra people. If you ask any infra engineer, like what's the biggest cause of outages, it's usually someone who made a config change that looked innocent, but like ended up changing the wrong DNS record or deleting a cluster by accident that brought down the whole site for like an hour and caused the business millions.
Digger is an open source tool that makes it for non-operations engineers to use infra.
The fact that it's open source builds us this trust with the community of infrastructure people, and it really helped us like accelerate product velocity a lot.
Companies that move freight from, say, China to the US, or companies that help you send 100 million emails a month. Companies across industries use Digger every single day to orchestrate millions in cloud spend securely.
What's on the line is the heart of the organization. If infrastructure is broken, everything is broken.
Digger is AI for infrastructure. It lives in the pull request and helps developers deploy their infrastructure securely.
Infrabase is an AI agent that understands your infrastructure and makes life of infrastructure engineers much easier.
All the tools that existed that do Terraform Runner are like clunky and they require like a lot of setup. We thought like we can do better than that.
Developer doesn't need to think of it like at all. And at the same time, it's like secure, compliant. Most of this information is actually not in the code change. Most of that is in the context that's outside of the repo, outside of the developer's change. The challenge here and the tricky thing we think we solved well is pulling together all that context so that the flags of the risks could be comparable to what a human reviewer would do.
Rules in Infrabase, though, can be written in English. So you can actually say what you want to do and then store it in the Infrabase rules repo, and it just works.
If you think of it like a force multiplier for a developer with AI today, like 10x, right? But for an infra engineer, the force multiplier is like 100x, 1000x. One person could easily handle a massive org just approving what AI produces. It's so new and so exciting that there's space for anyone.